Hi guys. Yes, it came. Okay, let's do it. Let me just get like the thing. Anyway, thank you to these people who have commented on my shorts. Thank you so much. So thank you guys. That's really nice actually. It's really nice that you guys support a small YouTuber like me. I love that. I hold it up, obviously. I help all of my comments. Anyway, actually, let's get right in. I am, outside and doing it because my parents are listening to songs and I am listening to Frozen songs with my sister. So let's open it. I don't want to listen to Frozen songs. How do you open this thing? I need a knife. I need a knife to open it. It's right here. I need a knife. But I'm scared I'm going to cut it and everyone's inside. So, yeah. Ow. You know what? I'm going to go grab a knife. I'll be right back. Okay, let's cut this baby open. I hope that's not my laptop that I'm cutting. So if it is, I'll be so sad. This is my progress. All here. But I can't open this. Oh my god. Okay. Oh my god. I got it open. Okay, ready? I can barely see what I'm doing. I need to say something. Rip the package open. Oh, this is good. This is really good. Let me read the knife. Ooh, I just cut into the thing. I'm gonna cut into my laptop. I swear if I did. It's so sad. Oh, there's the plug. I see the plug. Garbage goes there. Oh my god, it's in here, guys. Oh my god, it's right here. This is the laptop. Oh my god. So perfect. Oh my god. I'm opening it right away. Oh my god, it's amazing. Oh wow. Oh, just this. Just that for protection. Oh guys, this is the best. It is a laptop. How do you turn it on? Where the hell is the turning? Oh, right here. I didn't notice. Oh, not that. Here. Oh my god. Okay. So while that's right here, put this back on because I'm gonna keep it nice and safe. This one. This one in there. No, actually. Oh my god. Guys, this is the best. Oh, here's the charger. This is the charger. Let's get it out. Okay. Is it just me or is this a long charger? How do you? What is this? Oh, it comes with another thing. this then. Okay, so you attach this onto here, I believe. Yeah, like this. Oh, look at these, they're so weird. And you just attach it. Like, oh, I attached it. Yeah, and then we'll plug it into somewhere and do that sort of stuff. Yeah. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Let's turn it on. Guys, this is the best. Thank you for watching this. I will show you some photos in the next post. Bye.